Good morning, friends. I am Professor Shivayogi Patil, Training and Placement Officer in Global College of Management, IT, Commerce and Commerce Hubli. Welcome to my new video. This is a very important day in my life because I have received an award from NIST, National Institute of Skill and Training. National Institute of Skill and Training. Of course, I have associated with this NIST company, which was founded by Mr. Nirmesh Raghav from last 3 years, both as a trainee as well as trainer also. So recognizing my efforts, they have bestowed upon this certificate, that is Best NLP Master Trainer for the year 2021, as well as I have a trophy, which you can see in the background. Of course, the name is there in the trophy, but it is not visible here. So I'm very, very happy that finally my efforts in NIST has been fruitful, and I got this certificate and as well as trophy, which adds credibility to my role as a trainer, because I always wanted to be a trainer. Of course, teaching is my passion, and training is becoming a trainer. Trainer was my long time dream. So today, with this video, I just wanted to share you my training journey. Why I become a trainer or something like that. Way back around you can say around 20 years back, since my MTech was over, I was into entrepreneurship. I had a shop service and what you call sales and service shop in computer hardware and software and other things. I was into training also, computer hardware and networking training also. So I used to teach students about the computer hardware and networking. That was way back in the year around 2000 or 2005 and all. One incident happened. Of course, my father expired around 15 years back. So after my father expired, because I was a very pampered child, single male child in the house, so very pampered child, and I loved my father. My father also loved me like a mad. He was the best father I had. Suddenly, okay, of course, he lived a full life of 93 years, and after his death, suddenly I went into a kind of nervous breakdown. And suddenly a lot of psychological. I was suffering from a lot of psychological things. Like anxiety, depression, and a lot of other things. I went to hell for about 1.5 years. Of course, at that time, Dr. Mahesh Desai helped me a lot, and he was the main mentor. You can call me my mentor, who brought me out of this depression and all. So when I was out of depression after 1.5 to 2 years, my business was struggling because only my brother-in-law was taking care of that. So I have decided to came out of the business and do something on my own. Of course, I had a MTech degree in civil engineering. So at that time, of course, I got a call from Toontadare College of Engineering, and I joined there as an assistant professor in civil engineering, as well as after 2 years of serving there, I got the duty of training and placement officer. So it went on like that, and it was a very fruitful journey, very happy journey. So I came out of my complete psychological problems in that period of more than 10 to 12 years. What I wanted to tell you here is, so that particular incident changed me completely, and it gives me a new purpose in life. So a new direction in life, a new purpose in life. I desperately wanted to become a trainer, a coach. Of course, I was a faculty. I was in teaching profession, which is a very fulfilling profession, and I always wanted to be a good professor. That was there, but also I wanted to train people so that they come out of. They should not face problems like me, as well as to come out of their psychological problems and all. So at that time only, I went through many trainings, many of the offline trainings, not online trainings, offline trainings. So I went to Bangalore to get trained in train the trainer program. 6 days program was there by Indian Leadership Academy. Kaushik Mahapatra was the trainer. He is one of the considered as the leading trainer in India. So in Bangalore, he has a training institute, and he has training institute in many metro cities and even abroad also. So I went training there for 6 days. So to get the certificate of train the trainer, that is all about the soft skills, how to design your curriculum, how to um, know the training need analysis, and a lot of things, how to train, how to speak publicly, how to give presentation. So how to be a powerful trainer. That was the totally outcome of that training. Then suddenly somebody told me that there is something called neuro-linguistic. Of course, in that training institute only, while I was taking training, so somebody told me that neuro-linguistic programming is the most powerful psychological tool which will help the people to come out of their fear, anxiety, depression, and a lot of such psychological problems. So anybody can learn it. So on those days, I decided to have a NLP training to become an NLP practitioner as well as NLP master practitioner. So first I joined with Vikram Dhar. Vikram Dhar is the founder of NLP Academy, so which is tied up with ACNLP, that is American Council of NLP, and Vikram Dhar is also one of the premier as well as the most highly rated NLP trainer in India. So you can Google through, you can have a look at him and his trainings. So I went through his trainings in Pune again for 6 days. So to get the certification of the NLP practitioner, as well as then I obtained after some assignments and other things, I obtained a diploma in NLP as well as advanced diploma in NLP. Now the only thing was left was the master NLP as well as other. I wanted to do most of the trainings which are needed to bring out the psychological counselor in me. So then I joined EmoCare. EmoCare is also one of the India's leading psychological training chain of institutes. And Mr. Shiv Kumar, Sita Lakshmi Shiv Kumar is the founder of that particular founder as well as trainer. Under him, I went through NLP master training as well as CBT, that is cognitive behavioral therapy, RABT, rational emotive behavioral therapy. Then there is something called Gestalt therapy. Then there is something called what you call it as a transaction analysis. So like this, I learned a lot from everyone, how to do psychological counseling, how to come out, how to bring out the victims of depression and anxiety from their etc. And I got certifications also, lot of certifications also. Though since I am not a psychological background, I cannot be called as a psychological counselor because that has been the criteria for calling to be a psychological counselor, you need to have a UGC psychology degree. But I can call myself as a psychological coach or psychological trainer, definitely. So I did my life coaching also with MOCare. See, life coaching is all about coaching in business, coaching in success, coaching in to help people to bring them from the present state to their desired state. There is something called present state. What we are now is present state, and where we want to reach after some time, that will be the desired state. So I can, with the life coaching concept, I can help anybody to take them from, handhold them from the present state to the desired state. Of course, it requires time. It depends upon the the training, which how much he believes me, how much he actively participate in the training and do the assignment works, exercises, and all. It depends upon that. He can get out of his mediocre mindset to he can get the winner's mindset, something like that. So and one more thing I forgot to add. I also went through another training called as emotional intelligence and happiness coaching training with another very highly ranked mentor called as Dr. Mangesh Das of Goa. So it was also a 6-day training. So the company name is Twaran, and that I had certification of that also. So I'm a certified emotional intelligence and happiness coach. So basically, why I did all these trainings, investing a lot of money, is I want to help people to grow, to help people to come out of their problems, help people become employable, job ready. As I am soft skills trainer also. So I wanted to share my knowledge to the society and build their career, their life, something like that. So that is the reason why I have done so many courses, and now I am working as a training and placement officer in Global College of Management, IT and Commerce, Hubli, where I am also responsible for training the students in soft skills, or I can call it as actually employability skills. And I have a training program called as Campus to Corporate, where I can train the students from their present mindset to the job ready mindset, what you call it as. So the only thing, the problem I am facing is the time duration that is I'm getting is not sufficient, as well as students' mindset is such that they somehow they are neglecting the soft skill classes. So I request with this video, see, you have all the resources. You can tap all the resources from me. See, I can train you in corporate this thing also, because see, joining a company, a corporate company is one thing, and surviving there and getting higher up in the scale of the hierarchical scale, getting promotions, getting salary hike is another thing. I can help you in that also. But only thing is, you have to make up your mind. You have to make up your mind to attend my classes regularly. So I am ready to share everything. You can squeeze me like a lemon. So just how you squeeze a lemon to make a lemonade. So you can squeeze me, but if you don't show that aptitude, that hunger, that thirstiness to get the knowledge, so I cannot help you. I cannot help you. So my dear students, with this particular video, I am requesting you consider your priorities again. Once again, I am here there to help you. Of course, I am there to help you in placements also. But today, the placements will happen only if you have a required attitude, skill, as well as knowledge. So regarding the attitude, I am already teaching you So all those things in the soft skills. So soft skills is a very, very important part of your journey, successful journey. Only if you have a soft skill, you can survive in any company, you can join any company, as well as you can survive in life. Because soft skill is equal to life skills. So soft skill is not just related to jobs and all. Even if you become an entrepreneur, soft skills are useful. Even in your life, personal life also, soft skills are very, very useful. So there are n number of things I can train you. But only thing is, you should be in a positive mindset, and you should approach me. You should give me time, enough time, and you should give me enough number of hours to train you. Then only I will be able to train you. So that is the reason I am making this video, particularly this video. सी समुंदर में बहुत सारे पानी हैं, समुंदर में बहुत सारे पानी हैं, लेकिन आप कौन सा क्या लेके आते हैं वो पानी लेने के लिए? समुंदर ना तो सही, नदी में बहुत सारे पानी है, बहता हुआ पानी, आप क्या लेके आते हैं वहां उतने ही आपको पानी मिलेगा. इफ यू ब्रिंग जस्ट योर व्हाट योर palm, उतना ही मिलेगा. लोटा लाए तो उतना ही मिलेगा, एक बकेट लाए तो उतना मिलेगा, एक टैंक लाए तो टैंक भर पानी आपको मिलेगा. So try to open up your mind and try to bring a big vessel to get the water from this what you call it as a sea, ocean, samundar. So that much of knowledge I have, that much of wisdom I have, which I have gained over from last 25 to 30 years. So it is up to you. It is up to you to take the advantage of all these things and grow in life. So I can help anybody, even the adults also, even the professionals also, to come out of depression, to come out of anxiety. Most important thing is to become a real human being, to increase. I can help them to become emotionally intelligent. I can help them to be happy in life and all those things. So I'm also planning to conduct an NLP and emotional intelligence training for my faculties, my colleagues in Global College of Management. The only thing is the management as well as the principal sir has to allow me to conduct that, give me sufficient time to train. Because see, you will become more and more perfect as you go on training the people. That is my intention. So expertise doesn't come in 1 or 2 days. So you have to train. Again, you have to be a lifelong student. You have to update your knowledge according to the changing trends, changing the technology in the field. So I'm ready for that. I'm ready to train everyone who is willing to get trained. So with this, my dear friends, I request you to consider this offer and help me to help you. Help me to help you. Thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you.